Have you ever wondered why your current weight loss strategies are not yielding the results you desire? Many of us have found ourselves stuck in this predicament. The weight loss industry is teeming with quick-fix solutions, from fad diets and extreme exercise routines to diet pills. Despite their promises of rapid results, these strategies often fall short in the long run. Fad diets, though they may initially cause weight loss, are generally unsustainable. They can also lead to nutritional deficiencies, negatively impacting our overall health. Extreme exercise, on the other hand, can cause physical harm if not undertaken correctly. And let's not forget diet pills. They might seem like an easy solution, but they often come with a host of side effects and can lead to rebound weight gain once you stop taking them. The truth is, there's no magic pill or secret formula to losing weight. Today, we delve into simple habits that can boost your fat loss journey effectively and sustainably. First on our list is a habit as simple as drinking water. Water, a vital element of life, holds an incredible power in aiding weight loss. Let's delve into how this clear, tasteless liquid can be a weight loss ally. For starters, it revs up your metabolism. How, you ask? Well, studies have shown that drinking water can temporarily boost your metabolic rate by a significant amount, helping you burn those pesky calories faster. But that's not all. Water is also a natural appetite suppressant. Ever felt full after gulping down a glass of water? That's because it fills up your stomach, reducing hunger and helping you eat less. And let's not forget about improved digestion. Water helps break down food, aiding in smoother digestion and preventing bloating. Now, how can you incorporate this into your routine? Try drinking a glass of water before meals and make a habit of carrying a water bottle around. Remember, hydration is not just about quenching thirst. It's a key player in your weight loss journey. Next, we explore the concept of mindful eating. This is an approach that involves fully focusing on your food as you eat, savoring each bite, and recognizing your body's signals of hunger and satisfaction. Mindful eating has numerous benefits that can boost your weight loss efforts. Firstly, it helps prevent overeating. By paying attention to your food, you're more likely to notice when you're full, helping you avoid unnecessary extra calories. Secondly, mindful eating can improve digestion. When you eat slowly and chew your food thoroughly, you give your digestive system a helping hand, making it easier for your body to extract and absorb nutrients. And let's not forget the joy of eating. Mindful eating enhances the enjoyment of food. It allows you to fully appreciate the flavors and textures, making each meal a more satisfying experience. So how do you practice mindful eating? Start by eliminating distractions while eating. Chew your food thoroughly, and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Mindful eating turns meals into a mindful practice, aiding your weight loss journey. Our third habit is regular physical activity. Now, let's clear one thing up right away. When we say physical activity, we're not just talking about grueling gym workouts. We're talking about any movement that gets your heart rate up and burns calories. This could be anything from brisk walking, doing household chores, to taking the stairs instead of the elevator. Regular physical activity is like a secret weapon for weight loss. It boosts your metabolism, helping your body burn more calories even when you're at rest. It's also a fantastic way to build muscle, and the more muscle you have, the more calories your body burns, even when you're just sitting down. But the key to making this a habit? Find an activity you enjoy. When you love what you're doing, it doesn't feel like exercise, it just feels like fun. And that's the secret to sticking with it. Regular physical activity is not just about sweating, it's about keeping your body active and boosting your fat loss. To recap the simple habits that can boost your fat loss journey, we've talked about the incredible power of hydration and how this simple act can help your body function optimally and aid in weight loss. We've also delved into the concept of mindful eating, encouraging you to savor your food, listen to your hunger cues, and make more intentional food choices. And of course, we can't forget about the importance of regular physical activity, not just for burning calories, but for overall health and well-being. What's the key to all of these habits? Consistency. It's not about making drastic changes overnight, it's about incorporating these simple habits into your daily routine, one step at a time. Remember, every small step counts. And over time, these habits can make a big difference in your weight loss journey. Remember, successful weight loss is not about drastic changes. It's about incorporating simple, sustainable habits into your daily routine. Start today and watch your fat loss journey transform.